Welcome to Code with Vinod. In this video, we will learn Angular internationalization. So, internationalization is a process by which we can make our web application supportable to multiple languages or multiple localize. So, Angular provides us I18N to support the multiple language feature for Angular application. So we will see everything from step by step, and here we have some commands. So we will use these commands to add the localization or internalization in our web application. So let's come on our Visual Studio Code. So this is our simple web application which I have created for multiple language. So here I have given two headings. One is this is our internalization app and welcome to Code with Vinod. So our first step would be, so let's check to run the server ng serve. So server is started. So let's copy and check on browser. So it is already there. So let me refresh. So this is our simple web application. So let's come and stop the server and try to run the commands. So our first command is to add the Angular localize. So it's ng add at the rate localize, enter. So it will take some time and it will install some packages. So let's wait. So it is already installed there. So we will see inside package.json and search localize. So we are able to see we have added the localize packages in our Angular package.json. And second step is we will create a directory as a local. So what it will do, so let me copy it, paste here, enter. So let's wait. So this command will create a folder with local. So we can see here, and it will create a file message.xlf. So what is this? This is the same file. So this file will help us to relate our HTML page with these file. So here we will create the multiple file as per the language. So by default it will work for USEN means for English. So let's see step by step. So next step is, so before this we will add some kind of dictionary inside our angular.json. So let's come inside the projects here. So here we will add. So let's copy the code from my other application. So here we have our angular.json. So let me copy it. So in the project directory we will copy the I18, copy it from here to this, and inside our project we will add this comma, save it. So here we will create the secondary directory for let me copy the same, control C, control V, and then rename as for this file. This is for French language, for example. So now we have created everything. Let me save it, and now see what is happening inside this. So now our next step would be we will add, so in the component.html we will add I18 with each uh, header. So we need to add this tag to get this inside message.xlf. So again we will try the same command. So let's see what will happen. It is generating. So let's check. So we can see it is added our both the headers. One is welcome to Code with Vinod, and second one is this. So it is added inside our message.xlf. So this file is for simple English and this file is for French. So let me copy the same content, control C, control V here, and we will give a target. So let's say I want to change it from this source to target. Save the target and let me convert this to French with the help of Google. So you can take any language expert. So convert English to French, let's say. So let me copy it and paste it inside the target, and same for this, and paste here and paste inside the target. Save it. So now what it will do, so let's come again inside the angular.json, and we have created two URL, for one is for en, second one is for, so let's check this. So second thing, we need to make a default URL. So inside the angular.json, if I check this, so in the localize, so we will add this uh, as a dictionary, sorry, as a list inside the localize. So we will see this localize, we will give this option inside the architect build and option, and inside option we will copy this. We have copied. So first let's try to start our server. What will happen, we will see. Ng serve, so server is started. So let's check. So it is working. So by default it will work for English, US English, and on localhost directly we cannot check with multiple language. So for this we need to use the HTTP server or any external server. So let's come and stop the localhost, and now first we will build. So we need to build with the help of this command. So let me make it correct. It's ng build localize. So let me enter. Okay, so we will use hyphen hyphen localize. So it will create the dist. So let's check. Meanwhile, fr then everything message dot fr dot xlab. Yes, correct. Path is correct. So let's see. So it has created the dist for en and fr. So it will not means we will not able to see with localhost. So we will use http server. So http hyphen server, so you can install it on your system. So let's check. So let me paste here. So let me again. So what we will do, we will go inside the dist folder first. ls cd inside dist, ls cd, and inside our app folder, cd inside our app folder name is let me make it like this. So ls multiple lang enter ls. So we have two dist folder. So now we will start the http server. So let's check what will happen. This one. So now let me copy the URL and paste here again. So here we are able to see the URL for both the languages. If I click on this, this is for international, means for English, and if I click on French, so this is for French. So this is the feature we can add with the help of internationalization in our Angular application. Thanks for watching.